Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that can put a real damper on your day: uric acid. Those painful flare-ups, no fun. But before you reach for the medication, did you know there are some natural allies growing right in your backyard? Or maybe just a trip to the herbal shop away? That's right, we're diving into the world of herbal remedies for uric acid. Let's see a show of hands in the comments. Who's ever dealt with a gout attack? We feel you. But before we get into the good stuff, a quick reminder. It's always best to consult your doctor before making any changes to your health routine. All right, now that's out of the way, let's get growing. First up, the mighty dandelion. This sunny little flower isn't just a pretty face. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body flush out excess uric acid. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants. You can find dandelion root teas, tinctures, or even dry it yourself. Feeling adventurous? Dandelions are actually pretty easy to grow in your own backyard. Just plant some seeds in a sunny spot and keep the soil moist. Next on our list, the ever-versatile turmeric. This golden spice is a superstar when it comes to inflammation, which is a big player in gout attacks. You can add turmeric to your cooking, take it in supplement form, or even make a golden milk latte. It's delicious. While turmeric isn't exactly a household plant, the good news is it's readily available at most grocery stores. Ready for a taste of the tropics? We're going with hibiscus. This beautiful flower makes a delightful tea that studies suggest might help lower uric acid levels. Plus, it's naturally tart and refreshing, perfect for a hot day. Hibiscus tea bags are easy to find, but if you're feeling fancy, you can grow your own hibiscus plant indoors. They love lots of sunlight and warm temperatures. Feeling like there has to be a tastier way to manage uric acid? You're not wrong. Let's talk about another delicious option: cherries. Tart cherries in particular are packed with anthocyanins, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce gout flare-up pain. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even dried, and add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or even bake them into a healthy dessert. Third, we have the stinging but oh so helpful nettle leaf. Don't worry, the dried version won't sting you. Nettle leaf is a natural diuretic, just like dandelion root, and may also help reduce inflammation. You can find nettle leaf tea bags or capsules at most health food stores. Feeling brave? Nettles are actually a perennial plant that's surprisingly easy to grow, though be sure to wear gloves when handling them fresh. Before we explore more remedies, let's talk about the root cause: purines. These are natural substances found in some foods that your body breaks down into uric acid. Normally, your body gets rid of uric acid through urine, but sometimes the body produces too much uric acid, or it has trouble getting rid of it. This can lead to a buildup of uric acid crystals in the joints, causing the pain and inflammation of gout attacks. Eating a diet low in purines can help reduce uric acid levels and potentially prevent gout attacks. This means limiting foods high in purines like organ meats, some seafood like sardines and anchovies, and red meat. But don't worry, there are plenty of delicious and purine-friendly options. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and low-fat dairy are all on the menu. Back to plants now. Last but not least, let's talk about celery seed. This little powerhouse might help reduce uric acid production and even have some anti-inflammatory properties. You can sprinkle celery seed on your food, take it in capsules, or even make a tincture. Celery seed is another easy-to-grow herb. Plant them in a sunny spot with well-drained soil and enjoy the fresh flavor they bring to your meals. But remember, these herbal remedies are best used alongside a healthy lifestyle. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for flushing out uric acid. Aim for 8 glasses a day, even more if you're active or sweating a lot. Maintaining a healthy weight can also help manage uric acid levels. Talk to your doctor about a weight loss plan that's right for you. Feeling overwhelmed by all this information? Don't be. Start slow, try one remedy at a time, and see how your body responds. There's no one-size-fits-all approach, so find what works best for you. These herbal remedies are complementary therapies, not replacements for medical advice. If you're really struggling with gout, it's important to see your doctor for proper diagnosis and treatment. If you have any questions or tried any of these remedies, leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural health tips and tricks. Until next time, stay green.